Have you seen how many car mounts there are for your phone? How am I supposed to pick the right one? Am I still scrolling? You got your quad lock. There's one with a suction cup, air vent mount, one with a charger, one for your CD slot, because you're not using that anymore. You can even stick one in your cup holder. But what I need is one for my Honda CRV with a touchscreen that's getting in the way. And it looks like they've come up with a solution. Let's get that one. Here's a piece of plastic that's going to fit over the screen on the top. Steel mounting ball and a plastic mounting ball. Here's the MagSafe mount that my phone's going to stick to. And in case your phone doesn't have a MagSafe mount, this is a steel ring to put on the back of your phone and some extra mounting tape. So for the phone mount, I'm going to use the steel ball mount because it's just sturdier, and then you just slide it in and you screw it down there. We'll take the phone mount and we'll snap it on, tighten that up. So there's sticky mounting tape on the top part, which we're going to peel away in a second, but what I want to do is put a couple extra pieces here and on the side for extra added support. Okay, here we go. I think I probably got one chance to stick it on there. So it looks like it's part of the touchscreen. Huh? So there you go, and you can put it on its side, put it in selfie mode, and end the video. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.